Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel. And today we've got a joint unboxing with the Beard Trend Reviewers. And for November 2019, we are featuring Baarden. And as you can tell, I'm no stranger to Baarden products. It's one of my favorite companies out there. So we're going to be doing a joint unboxing here. We're all getting multiple items. Some of them are the same, some of them are different. I've got a lot of other stuff I can compare and contrast. So on our individual channels, we're each going to be doing our own separate review. And then towards the end of the month, we're going to be coming together for a joint live stream. We're going to have a great discount code. I'm sure we'll probably be doing some giveaways, and we're going to see what kind of discussions we can get into just from the unboxing and talking behind the scenes here. I think some of us are going to like some things and not like some things, and we may have to agree to disagree. Either that or we're going to have to put them up and see who wins. But anyway, stay tuned for our unboxing here, and then later on this month be looking for more Baarden on all of our channels. Thanks, guys.
All right, everybody, welcome on in. We have the 5 beard trend reviewers here for this month, and today we are going to go around the horn. We all have a package from Baarden, and we're going to open them up, give you our first impressions, and then we're going to review them all month long, followed by reviews at the end of the month and a big live stream at the end of November that is going to get you guys a huge discount code. 5 different opinions. Maybe we agree, maybe we disagree. You're going to have to follow along with us all month long, right here on YouTube, on each one of these guys' channels, and on the Beard Trends Facebook group as well. So first and foremost, I'm going to kick this off. I'm going to open my box and give you my first impressions, and we're going to do it right now. All right, so I got this awesome Canadian box that is super hard to open, but you basically just cut along the seams right here. You put your finger in here, and you pop it open, and this is the presentation that you get right away. So you saw a card that went flying, but you have this awesome sticker, this awesome tissue paper, and I'm just going to dig in real quick here so you guys can see what's all up in here. And you have a card, a handwritten note from the owner, Adam. You have another card. Check that out. And then you have a bunch of these Aubrey chores, as I like to call them, and it's that crinkle paper that's all recyclable, and you just kind of get it out of the way however you can do it. And then you figure out what's in here. And right off the bat, let's just look how this is all nestled. Look at that. Pretty awesome, right? So then we pull out this awesome stuff in here. See what we have. So I have a frankincense and sandalwood beard oil. And I love these labels. I have used Baarden before, so I really like these labels and the stories that are on them. I have a Beard Balm Plus, which is basically his extra strength beard balm. And if this wasn't in glass, it would be like rattling all over the place like Brian likes to do with his balms. But this is coffee and maple praline. And then I have spearmint, pine, and musk beard wash. And this is your light stripping, conditioning, all-in-one type beard wash. So I'm just going to give you my first impressions real quick here. We're going to give them a shake and a snifferoo, let you know what I think, and then I'm going to hand it on over to Patrick so he can show you what he's got and give you his first impressions. So here we go. Frankincense and sandalwood. Y'all don't know that I don't like sandalwood. Not a big sandalwood fan, but this is a new recipe of frankincense and sandalwood, so you want to make sure that I got to try it and see if it's any different from the old one. All right, that's a little bit different. The sandalwood is a lot more prevalent, but it's a super sweet sandalwood. This has a nice sweetness to it. I can get that frankincense in there. There's something else with the frankincense and sandalwood, but he doesn't really tell you. It's a mystery. The name is frankincense and sandalwood. I know that there might be something else in there. I'm picking it up, but who knows? We'll figure it out. This coffee and maple praline, I have smelled this before, so I know that it smells good. It's a very good coffee scent. Like you went in, you got a maple, coffee, pecan, praline, depending on what part of the countries you're from, like a latte type thing almost. But it's super good. You get that real pungent coffee bean smell, but then it follows up with that amazing Canadian maple. And this is the Beard Balm Plus. So this is going to be a hard hold, like a super hard hold. In fact, it's pretty decently hard to get out. I had to put some pressure into that. And then it takes a little bit of heat to melt down in your hand. But I'll talk about that a little bit more in the review. And then underneath the cap, you have the Baarden labeled, Baarden branded guitar pick, which I think that's a nice little touch. that he throws in there for everybody to be able to get that balm out. And then you have the spearmint pine and musk beard wash. Again, I've used his beard wash before, but I've not really tried this scent. So let's just give it a little snifferoo here and see what this smells like. Wow, that's really clean. That's just super clean. I don't get much pine. I don't get much musk either. I think the pine and the musk probably mix together pretty well, because I get a minty clean scent right off of it right away. This is really good. I could see this in the shower. You get that hot, steamy water, and anything mint, you know, beard wash is always good because you get that steamy water, you get the minty stuff. It feels like you're getting all clean, and then it's like clearing up your nasal passages. So I'm excited to use that. I'm excited to use the oil and the balm. I'll pair them up with the like scents. So that's the 3 products I have for you guys today. And I'm going to hand it on over to Patrick. He's going to go through what he has, and make sure you guys check out his YouTube channel if you haven't, and make sure you're subscribed to all the Beard Trends, guys. Let's go. So I'm going to hand it on over to Patrick. He's going to show you what he has.
Hey, what's going on, guys? As Tyson just said, I'm Patrick. I got Beardtastic reviews on my channel. Got this lovely package. And as Tyson did, we're going to slide it right open. And everything's falling out of my package. Got a nice little handwritten card. You can see. There's another card. You get some of this out of the way. Nicely snuggled in the little box. For the beard wash, we got spearmint pine and musk. Get a little sniff. It smells good. You can smell the spearmint. It's like more dominant. Got the beard oil. And this is Moroccan spice and citrus. Oh, the Moroccan spice is dominant in this one too, and you can smell a little bit of the citrus too. And of course the Balm Plus. This is the coffee, maple, and praline. Oh, wow. This smells like breakfast in a jar. This is really good stuff. All right, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Mick, if Mick is ready.
Hey guys, thanks for joining. So this is the package that I received from Baarden. I'm not very good at opening these, but I will try. So same presentation over here with the Baarden. And then I am going to read the note that I got because I do like reading the notes out to you guys. So it says, Mick, I'm happy that I'm able to complete your Baarden collection with this new coffee and maple praline, as well as my high hold balm. Enjoy. So yeah, I'm really excited about this high hold balm because I've used the regular balm before, but not the high hold. So this is the packaging. I don't know if you can see it very well here. There you go. So it looks like I've got a couple balms in there and potentially an oil. So this is the Balm Plus. So I'll be trying that out and seeing how that holds compared to the regular balm. And then this is the Beard Butter. And the scent profile on the Balm Plus was the coffee, maple, praline, and the scent profile on the butter is also the coffee, maple, praline. Can't see that with my lighting, but that's what that is. And then I've also got the oil here, which is also in the coffee, maple, praline. I do have the other scents already, so this is the scent that I got. I'm just going to take a quick whiff here. Okay, yeah, that smells like smells like maple syrup, which is a really, really nice scent. It's actually kind of funny because before he came out with this scent, I talked to Adam a little bit and said, you know, it'd be cool if we made a scent together, like a nice Canadian scent that had maple in it. And he's like, I've already got that coming up. So it was just kind of funny that around the same time we were kind of talking about the same Canadian type scent. So I think you guys are gonna really like this scent, and I can't wait to try it out this week and see how it does. I'll pass it on to Kaz here.
Hello, it is I, the real Kaz, and believe it or not, I have the exact same box here from Baarden, a very nice package, as Patrick put it. No insinuation of any sort. I've already opened it because I have zero patience, if that, probably negative patience. I got myself. Oh, here, let's take a look at the letter here first. Got myself a little pick I can diddle away on my guitar with. Very excited for that. And for the beard wash, I have a spearmint, pine, and musk. And I can't contribute as much in terms of the descriptive language that the lads, contribute. So I'm going to give you a good old narration. And yeah, Adam has these nice little narrations up at the bottle here. And I figured I'd just read it out to you. So this one for the beard wash is, a man proudly walked away from a fallen tree, his boots covered in moss and sawdust. And he thought this smelled good. Well, let's see how accurate that is. So definitely the pine is coming through. Doesn't smell as musky as I would hope, but the spearmint of the pine is really, really nice. Let's take off my ring here. See what the consistency is here. Oh yeah, seems very runny, but then when it comes into palms, that's basically what that looks like there. Awesome. Now, what else did I have? What else do I have in my little box here? Let's take some of this out, make my desk all messy. Aha! The Moroccan spiced citrus, just like Patrick has. I think like some of the other guys also have this. Now, my light's not going to cooperate. But anyway, let's give this a smell. A man walked through a souk in Casablanca, carrying some saffron and fresh oranges, and he thought this smelled good. And it does. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh yeah, the Moroccan spice is so nice. That is just like an earthly dessert, or a, definitely just like a nice, almost a pumpkin pie-ish overtone. Really, really nice. Awesome. I love that. I'm looking forward to using this. And here I got the beard butter, the tobacco, bourbon, and leather. Let's give this one a smell. Ooh, that is very strong. Me with tobacco scents, it's hard to impress me. I can't say until I put it in beard, but oh yeah, it's leathery. Oh boy, it's very leathery. So I might not like this one just because that's my personal preference. I can't say for sure just yet. Tobacco scents aren't usually my thing, but hey, well, we'll give it a try. I'll let you know what I think, and I'm gonna just pass it on to Brian.
All right, guys, I have got another package from Baarden. Surprise. And as you can tell, I am no stranger to Baardens. I think this is package number 3. So I've got all the scents except for the newest one. So we'll be able to do some good comparisons on that. And Adam has just one of the best presentations in the game. Once we figured out how to open the box, and I kind of have figured that out now. But great presentation, great packaging. And I haven't tried the high hold balm yet either. And I got some high hold balm in here. And improved frankincense and sandalwood. I'm kind of like Tyson. I'm not a big sandalwood person, but I actually like the frankincense. So I have that in the beard wash and the beard oil already. And I really do like that. So we got some nice stuff on the inside. Reminds me of a bird's nest, but instead of protecting baby birds, we're protecting precious beard products from Canada. Anyway, we'll see what we've got in here. So I've got tobacco, bourbon, and leather beard butter. And I know what that smells like. Oh, wait a minute. That might smell a little bit different than the other one. I've got to do a little comparison. And we also have, there's that Beard Balm Plus. Coffee, maple, and praline. I've never been a huge fan of coffee scents in my beard. I drink coffee. I love coffee. So we'll see how this one goes. Yeah, exactly what it smells like, coffee and maple praline. And I was trying to tell, it looks like it might be just that shade darker because of the coffee that might be in here. And I think I got one more. The frankincense and sandalwood. Yep, so that is the new formula on that. Let's see what we've got. A little bit more woody. I guess that's the sandalwood part of it. Maybe less on the frankincense. Definitely smells a little bit different. I think I'm going to like that one too. Anyway, we'll be checking that out. Let me send that back to Kaz. He's going to do a final wrap up for us.
So yeah, basically, all of us lads are going to be releasing, just collective reviews of all the products that we have received this here month. So go down into the description there. All of our channel links will be down there. And then at the end of the month, we haven't decided on whose channel it's going to be hosted on yet. Oh, no, sorry. It's going to be hosted on Faithfully Bearded's channel, Tyson's channel, the live stream where we give you a giant, and I mean absolutely enormous, discount code. You're not going to want to miss it. Go check it out. It's going to be towards the end of the month. Check us out on Facebook, on the Beard Trend Facebook group. And if you join us there, you'll be completely in the loop in terms of where that's happening, when it's happening, yada, yada, yada. You get the idea. And hopefully you'll join us there. Cheers.
It's
the outro on Brian's channel, if anyone didn't know. Let's keep this in. This is really good. This is a good bit. Hi, Kaz.
Hey, what's going on? You went in the...
That's not Kaz.